Plugged in. Okay, here's our nice little happy Keurig. I've got my cup of water. I pour my water in. I open this. Goes blah, 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 blah. We're going to put our Keurig brand replacement clay cup guy in here. Shush, Trixie. In here. It's got what it's supposed to have. Put it in there like it's supposed to. It says close there. Put it here. Push the brew button. It goes red. And now it should, in theory, make a happy little cup of coffee. Instead, it's going to hemorrhage everywhere. In a moment or so, it'll hemorrhage. Here's look up. Starts coming out here. Then it does this. It's coming out everywhere. Now I've tried it with this little clay cup guy, and I've tried it with this one with nothing in it, and it does the exact same thing. What is wrong with Dark Warrior Keurig? We only got him in November for my husband's birthday last year. So, yeah. What do we need to fix? I mean, there doesn't look to be any structural damage in there that I can see. Everything looks all happy still. I don't know what's going on with it. It's not been abused. We take care of our little Iron Man Keurig quite well. Please tell me how we can fix this.